Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to expand your photo background like a pro with Dzine AI. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you love AI content like this, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about how best you can use AI to edit your photo. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you go to this particular website right here, Dzine.ai. So that is the official URL website of the AI tool. Or when you get to the site, you will need to create a free account with just your email address. After you have signed up with your email address, it takes you to this particular dashboard, just like what you see right here. Immediately you create a free account, you'll be given 200 free credits to perform any tasks of your choice using the tool. So now in this tutorial, what we are going to learn is how we can use this particular AI tool to expand our photo background. So what you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and navigate to expand. Then take you to it open up this particular page. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on upload images, just like so. Then select your image from your PC. So I'm going to use this particular image right here, and I'll click on open. So after a successful upload your video, it takes you to this particular workspace right here. There are so many ways to extend your photo background. You can come to the top right here, click on here. This allows you to choose different sizes or custom sizes as the case may be. So you can choose 1 by 1, 3 by 4, 9 by 6, 3 by 4 by 3, 6 by 9 ratio, or you click on custom right here. When you click on custom, this allows you to choose a certain number of the sites you would like to have your background image to have. Then alternatively, you can simply drag, and everything depends on how best you want the background to be extended. You can come to the top here also. If you would like to extend from the top, drag it this way, and this allows you to extend the background. You can also come here also and then drag this way. Then come down below here and drag, just like so. The next thing you can do here is to simply come here and click on generate. So in a few seconds, it's going to generate and extend the background of your photo without losing the quality of the image. So let's check it out. So just like so, you have the result right here. You can simply hover your mouse and then you see the results, just like so. So for you to download the results, what you need to do is to simply click on this particular icon right here. And in a few seconds, your image will be downloaded straight into your PC. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to expand or extend your photo background with this Dzine AI tool without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about how best you can use AI tool. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.